Paperclip just changed AI agents forever. It's called Paperclip, and it just hit 38,000 stars on GitHub in under 4 weeks. And today's update is a big one. Because up until now, running AI agents was a total mess. You'd have 10 Claude code windows open, 20 cursor tabs, a few codex scripts running somewhere, and you couldn't remember what any of them were doing. You'd come back on Monday morning and have no idea what your agents did all weekend. Some of them got stuck in loops. It was chaos. Paperclip fixes all of that. Claude Code is an employee, Paperclip is the company that employs them. You get everything a real business has, but for AI. First, let me explain what Paperclip actually is. It's free. It's self-hosted. You run it on your own computer. It was built by a guy named Dotter, and it hit 38,000 GitHub stars in under 4 weeks. It just organizes them. And it organizes them like a real company. The CEO reads the mission and starts thinking. The CEO says, we need a content team. We need a social team. We need a research team. We need a member success team. The CEO hires a content director. The content director hires a blog writer, a script writer, and an email writer. The CEO hires a social media director. That director hires a Twitter agent, a LinkedIn agent, and a short video agent. The CEO hires a research director. That director hires an agent that scans for new AI tools every day. Watch what happens next. The research agent wakes up at 9 a.m., scans the web for new AI tools, finds 3 new ones, writes a report. The report gets passed to the content director. The content director assigns one of the tools to the script writer. The script writer writes a full YouTube script about the new tool. The script goes to the email writer. The email writer turns it into a newsletter. The Twitter agent turns the newsletter into a thread. LinkedIn agent turns it into a post. Short video agent pulls the best quotes and makes shorts. All of this happens in one day. While you sleep, while you're at the gym, you wake up, you open the Paperclip dashboard. You approve the post, you hit publish. That's it. That's a content machine running on AI, coordinated by Paperclip. But if you're an agency owner or you run a few side projects, you can manage all of them from one control panel. This is exactly what agencies need. You're basically a CEO of CEOs. Tool is for people who are serious about building with AI. Founders, operators, agency owners, automation experts, anyone who's trying to build a real AI-powered business. If that's you, this is the most important tool to learn right now. Because the future isn't one AI doing everything. The future is teams of AIs, each one specialized, each one working together. And the people who learn to manage those teams today are going to be way ahead of everyone else. You go to the Paperclip GitHub page, you run one command in your terminal, walks you through the setup, creates the database for you, gives you a dashboard at localhost. You create your first company, you hire your first CEO agent, you set a budget, you hit go. That's it. You're running a company of AI agents.